Welcome to doriscctv. Today we're going to be showing you the 180-degree 5 megapixel IP camera. It has smart intrusion prevention, including cross-line. When you enter the area and you leave the area, it will also detect you as well. It can filter between human and vehicle, so you can have less false alarms. It has a built-in mic. Also is a smart IR, so smart infrared. It's up to 20 meters. Again, this camera, like some of the other features, it supports a 256 gig micro SD card, which is not included, but you can add this, so you can use it with the Uniview NVR or the separate. It's PoE, so power over Ethernet, and it's IP67 rated, which is waterproof. Basically, we have two cameras which are exactly the same spec. So I'm going to be unboxing this one, and I'm going to be showing you what's included in the box. Again, nice box, good design, well packaged. The model number is on the outside. Open the box up from here. And here you have your instruction manual. Scan there, so you can download it onto your phone. You have your drill template here. Again, you have your waterproof glands. Screws are included with the fixing, so no problem there. Now the camera, really compact size unit. Again, when you see the quality, we'll be showing you later this to follow on this video. The connectors there, and let's have a look at the camera. So here you can see the camera in its full glory, a really nice compact design. And like I just mentioned, we'll be showing you the video and the quality of this straight after this. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on the next one.